Hi, welcome to MUS Traders. Watch this carefully. This is a real buy trade taken live in the market. No demo, no replay, just pure price action. I'll explain why I enter and, more importantly, why I wait. Most traders lose because they rush entries. Here, I'm not chasing the market. I'm letting price come to me. Right now, price is approaching an important support area. Look closely at the candles. Selling pressure is slowing down. This is where smart traders start paying attention. This is my confirmation. Support is holding. Buyers are stepping in with strength. I'm placing my buy trade now. Calm, planned, and controlled. Now comes the hardest part for most traders. Doing nothing. Notice how price stays above support. This tells us buyers are still in control. This is why patience matters in trading. If your analysis is correct, you don't panic on small pullbacks. Emotional traders exit early. Disciplined traders let the setup complete. Price is respecting the structure. Momentum is slowly shifting upward. This is exactly what we wanted to see after entry. And there we go. Buy trade closed in profit. Simple logic, clean execution, no indicators needed. If you want daily trade ideas and guidance, contact us on Telegram.